हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल. माय नेम इज़ प्रीति. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम फैक्ट्स अबाउट मिल्टन. इनका बर्थ डेट एंड फादर मदर के लिए मैंने एक वीडियो डाली थी. एंड ये नेक्स्ट हमारा है सम फैक्ट्स अबाउट मिल्टन. तो लेट्स सी द फैक्ट ऑफ मिल्टन. ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ हिज मिडिल स्टेचर विथ auburn hair and an oval face with grey eyes and a fair complexion, Milton was called the Lady of Christ College. Milton was called Lady of Christ College. In a belief, he belonged to the extreme Puritans called Separatist Independence Congregationalists. He withdrew himself from the university in 1632 after taking the degree of M.A. After taking the degree of M.A. The Masque of Comus was written in 1634 to be performed at Ludlow Castle before the Earl of Bridgewater and friends. The Triumph of Virtue would be a better name for this perfect little masque. In 1637, he wrote Lucidus a monody on the death of his college friend Edward King, who drowned in the Irish Sea. It is his last Horton poem. His friendship with the exiled Dutch scholar Grotius in Paris and of Galileo in his sad imprisonment in Florence proved to be fruitful. Between 1639 and 1642, he made 4 drafts for a work to be called Adam and Paradise. In 1643, he married Mary Powell, a swallow pleasure-loving girl, the daughter of Richard Powell, an Oxfordshire cavalier or royalist. This marriage was a failure. Next हमारा है this marriage was a failure. Next है in 1644 he wrote Areopagitica, which is an address to Parliament for freedom of the press. जो एरियोपॉजिटिका क्यों लिखी गई थी? फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ द प्रेस. नेक्स्ट हमारा in 1649 Milton's iconoclast image breaker demolished the filmy argument of the icon basilic royal image. In 1649 he became foreign secretary to the Commonwealth. He lost the sight of one eye in 1650. He did not care for the warning of the doctors who advised him to take rest, but he did not care and work laboriously in writing the defense of the English people. This work resulted in total blindness. He became totally blind in 1652. ये कब पूरे तरीके से blind हो गए? तो 1652. नेक्स्ट हमारा in 1649 in support of the execution of King Charles I, he wrote his first political tract, Tenure of Kings and Magistrates. नेक्स्ट हमारा there appeared Defensio Regia pro Carlo I, which was an attack upon the Puritans. It was in Latin and written by Salmasius, a Dutch professor at Leiden. Milton replied in his magnificent Defensio pro Populo Anglicano. The Defensio was the last work and Milton's blindness fell upon him. It was finished. The scene in Paradise Lost where Eve comes weeping to Adam seeking peace and pardon is probably reflection of a scene in Milton's own household. In Feb 1652 he becomes blind. His first wife Mary Powell died on May 5, 1652. इनकी पहली वाइफ मैरी पॉवल कब डेथ हुई? 5 May 5, 1652. She had borne him 3 daughters. Anne, Mary, and Deobra. The only male child, John, died in infancy in 1651. In 1656 he married Catherine Woodcock. इन्होंने 1656 में मैरी कैथरीन वुडकॉक से शादी किया. बोथ मदर एंड द चाइल्ड डाइड. वो भी कब एक्सपायर हो गई? इन 1658. फॉर द थर्ड टाइम इन 1663. इन्होंने तीसरी शादी भी की. इन 1663 ही द पोएट मैरिड एलिजाबेथ मिंसुल, अ लेडी 30 years younger than himself. ये इनसे 30 साल छोटी थी. बिफोर राइटिंग पैराडाइज लॉस्ट, मिल्टन दो thought of writing on King Arthur, but later on he decided to write on the fall of man. It resulted in Paradise Lost, which was finished in 1665. After 7 years labor in darkness, he started writing in it 1658. He got it published in 1667. He published in 1667. Originally, Paradise Lost was divided into 10 books, but afterwards it was divided into 12 books. The copyright of Paradise Lost was sold to Samuel Simmons. The payment of £5. The payments of £5. The third edition appeared after the poet's death in 1678. The poet's widow sold the right of Simmons for £8. The amount was only £28 for such a great work. Next है हमारा The at Thomas Elwood suggestion, but what hast thou to say of Paradise Found? Milton wrote the second part of the epic Paradise Regained in 1671 in 4 books. In 1671, his last important work, Samson Agonist, the most powerful dramatic poem on the Greek model, appeared. पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इन्होंने पब्लिश भी नहीं किया था. ये इनकी वाइफ के द्वारा पब्लिश किया गया था, जिसका नाम पब्लिश किया गया था. इनके वर्क को हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. बाय बाय. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज़ एंड लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.